It's times like these, I wonder why the hell I started this. I should have started making like cat videos or something everyone else likes. Be a lot easier. Now you guys can't really see this, but there's just a clamp here. It just holds the brake line. Looks like someone just undid it when they replaced that line. They just left it undid. Okay. Actually try to bend this line down, guys. It's gotta get into the cross member. Okay, that looks not too bad. Trying to shove a wrench up there. Man, just think about how many views I get from make cat videos compared to this. Jeez.